literally feeding you the steps. A video showing you how to fix the issue of the JK BMS display not showing data. You must have run into the classic JK BMS screen, going for black hole mode and refusing to show any data. But damn, I really hope you never actually have to deal with it yourself. Alright, follow my lead, I'll show you how to fix this thing in the time it takes to take a quick bathroom break. Open the app you absolutely have no choice but to use. Find the device that truly belongs to you and connect it. With your almighty little hand, tap those 3 little dots up in the right corner, tap About. Take a screenshot of this page and send it to your seller. Tap the control button in the bottom right corner. Tap Verify Password at the top. Enter the password. Swipe up, scroll all the way to the very bottom, find Clear Data, and tap it. Enter the password your seller just sent you. When you see it pop up, congratulations, the problem has already been solved.